So guys, welcome to IT networking. So task scheduler failed to start event ID 100. So error is event ID 100. So guys, how to fix? Click to start button, type local group policy. So click to group policy and extract to local user right assistance. Okay, and then scroll down, log on as job batch job and double click to open and add your user. Okay, so how to find your user? So click to user 100. Okay, and user, actually my username is 100, so that's why okay, user 100 and then okay and then close. Okay, next step is open Windows R services.msc, then press 2T T task schedule, open. Actually don't have administered rights, so that's why you click to again start button and type services and right click to run as administrator, run as administrator, and then again press 2T and okay, this service is as actually guys is always running, so you just look at this service is running or not. Okay, so this is running. Okay, so thank you guys.